Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery, and today we're going to do a different kind of table arrangement. So what I have is a small greenery wreath. This is about 12 inches, and then I'm going to take Santa, and I'm going to place Santa in the center of my wreath. Then what I want to do is I've taken some berries, and it's going to end up being 2 whole picks, and I don't want to glue these in, so that if next year I change my mind, I can use different things inside my wreath. And I'm going to just stick these in. I'm going to go in the same direction with my berries all the way around. And so I'm just going to place these around. Then I'm going to take and cut up some of my next one. And I think I'm going to get these a little bit closer because I have enough. So I'm going to put these back around. Then I'm going to come on and have 2 more. I'm going to place them around. Now I'm all the way around. So what I want to do so that these stay on is I'm just going to take a little piece of my greenery and I'm just going to hook it right around each little berry part. That way I know if I need to pick this up, move it around, that I'm not going to lose where these are placed. So this is a quick and easy way to do an arrangement. But you could also add some ribbon into it if you wanted to, or maybe even not use the berries and just do ribbon around the bottom. So I'm going to take out the berries. And then I'm going to try adding ribbon. So I have this really neat traditional little bit of sparkle ribbon. I'm going to make a loop, pinch it, and I'm just going to then come and twist my greenery around my little loop of ribbon. I'm going to fluff that out, have this come around, a little bit on this side. I'm not going to actually stream ribbon all the way around. I'm just going to add little accents of it. So I would do this all the way around my wreath. I probably, due to the size of my wreath, will only need 3 to 5 of them. Depends on how big you're going to do your loops. So I'm just looping it, pinching it, and then cutting off the sides. And then just using my greenery and adding that on. So I'm probably going to have 5 of them around because I like my odd numbers. I'm just going to twist this on. Now, we're going to pretend like, oops, let me fix this over here. So we're going to pretend like that I've gone ahead and added it all the way around. And then what I want to do, I could be done here, or I'm going to go in and add some ornaments. One thing I like to do with my ornaments is I like to take the ends of them off. And then I glue right here so that when I put them in, you don't see that. That's just a personal preference. I'm going to dip my ornaments into my glue. And I'm going to come in and just add them throughout. So that's just another option. And adds one more little step to it to just be extra fancy. So this is your traditional Santa tabletop arrangement. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.